mom always said, if you don't have anything nice to say, don't say it at all. But mom, you ain't watching this live stream. Let me make sure. Hold on, she ain't on this live stream. Okay, I don't see that. Okay, cool. Cause she'll pop up sometimes. But no, this young lady, bless her heart, was in Walmart and got the nerve to brag, right? Flexing on them. Anyway, a lot of people been doing some responding to this video. It's a short one. I have not watched this video just yet, so we're just gonna go ahead and let her cook. She look like she a little bit too excited for me though. You need to be this doggone excited when you roll past a Planet Fitness. Right.
Audacity some people have.
Hold on.
You would not believe the audacity some people have. Me and my husband are in the shopping. My husband, he in Kroger shopping. We on the aisle now. I'm looking at stuff. This woman is with another woman, and she's like, "Sir, can you reach this off the top shelf for me? We're short." I look at them. I look at him. He look at me. He said, "Boo." The fact that he knew he needed permission to help these people, and the fact that they thought they could just ask him and he was gonna move for them. The audacity. Ain't that right, boo? You would not believe the audacity.
I'm trying, boy. I am trying not to go Super Saiyan on this doggone live stream right now. What to turn up right now, man? Oh man, yo, ooh. Where can I go with this one, man? Listen, the brother. First and foremost, the brother. Listen, I can somewhat understand him looking at. I automatically, dog, like, yeah, no, I'm good, man. Let somebody else do it. No, I'm just, no, man, I don't think anything would have been wrong with him just helping or assisting, you know, those young ladies, because ain't nobody checking for your man but you, boo. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna keep it a band. The only thing they needed him for was his height. Like, I ain't gonna count, man. Like, oh, they got people like this, man, that just be being extra for no reason. Any reason to cut that doggone camera on and make it seem like you are above is just crazy work to me, man. Good grief, man. I said for 2026 that I wasn't gonna fly off the handle anymore. I said I was gonna try to be better. All right. Try to be better and try to be a little bit more on the balanced side. We're not going to be mean, all right? And we're not going to be the nice guy. We're going to play that thing right in the middle. So, well, them thick glasses, they trying me right now, boy. Even her glasses, man. Well, I feel it, boy. It's falling in me right now. It's that boy balling. Whew. Hold on, man.
Audacity some people have. Me and my husband are in the shopping. My husband.
Look, you can look at the brother and tell that he a pushover. That boy, he looking straight. He got on glasses. I know the doggone child probably gonna have on glasses, man. This is diabolical, boy. Listen, ma'am. You are good in your relationship. I don't think that you have any issues with anybody trying to steal your man. All right? And from the looks of he ain't going nowhere. You good, man. This video was so freaking unnecessary.
Kroger shopping. We on the aisle now. I'm looking at stuff. This woman is with another woman, and she's like, "Sir, can you reach this off the top shelf for me? We're short." I look at them. I look at him. He look at me. He said, "Boo."
Man, listen, it's guys like this, man. Guys like this that's just making reactions like this so freaking hard, boy. For real.
The fact that he knew he needed permission.
That's what's pissing me off. That part right. Hold on. That part right there.
The fact that he knew he needed permission.
Oh, the fact that he knew he needed permission and brother is standing right, like they walking beside each other. She said that, man. Oh, boy, it's getting out of hand. It's getting out of hand, boy. Hey, listen, we not taking this stuff into 2026, fellas. We not doing it, all right? I'm gonna need for y'all to cut this mess out. Please cut it out, man. And she, oh boy, she just getting a nice little kiki and ha-ha right now. It was at least 5 chuckles. I counted at least 5 chuckles, boy.
They help these people, and the fact that they thought they could just ask him and he was gonna move for them. The audacity.
Well, listen, man, hey, it's a good thing that you do got a guy that's even considering you. But yeah, man, you just got to be careful with that doggone wording, man, for real. Cause I would have, boy, he should have had that little Ike look like. Hey, you talking about? Like I knew. Hold on, wait. But yeah, no, this is actually, it's a beautiful thing, man. And, you know, I'm glad we got couples over there shopping in Kroger's. Hopefully they got some fruits and vegetables and stuff for them to, you know, partake in or whatnot. But anyway, man, before we get up out of here, I'm gonna play this one little clip.
What is that?
It's a raccoon.
That is not a dead raccoon.
What is it then?
That's your cat.
Cat, bro. Look how he holding it.
Perfect.
See, you see, and you hear the enablers. All right. They encouraging this type of thing. What the heck? What is that? This bruh, man, what is that? Is that a marshmallow? What is that he got in his hand, man? That boy got a spoon with what look like a marshmallow in the phone. And look like he done searched fireplace or something on YouTube and got the damn, bro. Man, I would have fired to let that. Fire! Get your No, I'm joking. Get your butt from up under there. What are you doing?
No, it's gone.
Wow, these kids getting too smart, bro.
Absolutely useless.
Oh. Bam, bam. I know you lying. Kick the damn gate open. Oh wow. He said, listen, I ain't got time. For these games. Your boy's IQ got to be on 600, man.
What is that?
Bro. Kids are, man, these kids are off the chain, man, for real. Anyway, yo, I wanted to end on a happy note, man, because this is going to be going into 2026. I might start doing more videos like that, you know, have a little reaction and then maybe have something funny or fun at the end, or maybe educational. I don't know. We're going back to the drawing board for 2026. Anyway, y'all be blessed, y'all be beautiful, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.